So all of this put together in this beautiful picture here. Okay, so pathogen enters my body. Okay, he's gonna get engulfed by a macrophage. So if I get a cut, inflammatory response, lots of blood there, lots of macrophages engulfed by a macrophage. Okay, the macrophage then is going to take the antigens that were on the outside of the pathogen, pathogen, okay, the antigens, and he takes them out and he passes them to the helper T cell. The helper T cell is going to do one of two things, okay? Either he's going to send information to the B cells that says, make antibodies, this is the bad guy, or he may send information to killer T cells and say, you know what, we need backup reinforcements, send a wave of them, let's kill and wipe everybody out. Okay, so that's what the helper T cell says. He says we need some backup, and whichever way that works. So then the if it's backup, then they just wipe everybody else out, and then you got a memory T cell. But if he sends the information over to the B cells, the B cells are going to start making antibodies, right? Antibodies made by my body. Okay, the antibodies are going to attach onto the antigens on the outside of the pathogen, rendering the pathogen helpless. And then essentially the macrophages are just going to come in and wipe all those guys out. And then at the end of that, the B cell that was creating the antibodies, he's going to remember them for next time. So we're going to have a memory cell at the end of that as well. So that's kind of how the whole thing works. Once the pathogen's wiped out, then the suppressor T cells say, you know what, it's all right, everything's over, let's go back to normal.